What's up, guys? Yes, today, look at all that sun. We have a trip planned to do. We are fishing for steelhead. I've checked out the river the past week. There was a lot of ice, but it's all gone now. I went Tuesday and yesterday. And yesterday, I ended up hooking up to two steelhead. Lost them both. But the water is ripping through now. All the lakes that were frozen, the runoff is coming through the lakes now, so it's a little dirty water. It's faster water, but they're in there. We know they're in there. So Gord, myself, I think we're gonna see John Jarvis today at one point from Ganyons. We're gonna go send it. We're gonna go try and catch some of these steelhead. It's still a little early in the season, but we're gonna make the most of it, see if we can get some, and I guess let's go do that. All right, a little miscommunication, but I've got Gord following behind me with Catherine today, which is awesome. We're gonna hit some of my holes, and I don't know if we're gonna see John or not, but we'll see. We'll get there, we'll get all dressed up for the weather and for the creek, and then we'll be fishing, so stay tuned. Let's get at it.
Alright, here's the deal. We were using the pink worm, but switched up to the row that I got at Ganyons. 3 floats in. My other GoPro is acting up, that's why I switched to this one here. And we landed that beautiful one you just saw. First one of the year, very fresh, clean one, female, on the row bag, 3 drifts. Switched it up. She's ready to go. Look at how clean that is, dude. That's amazing.
Beauty.
She's gonna kick back too, watch this. Beautiful.
Nice.
Thanks for the net job from Gordon and Catherine there. So, rocked, ready. Don't have much of a leader. It's probably maybe 2.5 feet. Some weights to hold the bobber, and 2 other small tiny weights. Here's the setup. I have a Steelhead Islander. Nice black one with a Shimano Clarus 11.3 medium light power rod. It's a 4-piece, so that's what we're rocking with. We got the row on, got a little bit of ice going. Let's see if we can get another one. It's the first pool we've tried today too, so looks promising. I got it. Gord's hooked up. Here we go. We got the net. You switched to row?
Yeah.
Nice.
Dude, it's a giant.
Yeah,
dude,
just take your time. I see him. I'm gonna. What way do you want to bring him? I'm gonna probably come this way.
Dude, that's my biggest one yet.
I'm gonna throw him up here pretty much. Just take your time. You got him good, I think. He's trying to go up. You got him right in the corner, which is good.
Yes, buddy! Yeah! Yeah! Yes, dude!
That's a tank.
Yes, dude!
A tanker on film.
And
Dude.
Yeah.
That's a
my
big one.
PB.
Okay, let's
get him in the water here. Let's go back.
No, don't dip them. I'll get them all wet for you.
Okay.
I don't want you to. We'll get a picture before you.
Yeah.
Why don't you put the net in motion?
I don't know. The net's not that big.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Dude.
Yeah, buddy.
Nice.
That was awesome.
That was wicked.
Yeah.
Now your hands are going to be wet and soaked for like,
100% worth it.
Give you guys a bit of a breakdown what was happening this morning. When we got here, the slush was out to where my bobber is, and then it's just been ripping. You can see there's not all that much left, but everything that is left is tight to the bank. So that's within an hour and a half. So I think we're gonna be good pretty much all day here. This slush is going away. The water was a lot dirtier to start. It's clearing up. I can see a lot more than I could earlier this morning, so keep at her and see if we can get one on film this time instead of, well, now that we got the GoPro working. What? I'm coming. No way, they love the row.
Yeah.
He's just keep your attention, that's all you gotta do.
Yeah. Rod up. Not that yet. Don't pull on it.
You just don't want to horse him.
Yeah.
The same one?
Yeah, it might be. Oh, let him go. Oh no.
Uh-oh.
That's alright, that's alright, that's alright.
Just keep your attention, that's all you... You guys just missed it, the reel popped off.
Can I get him?
Yeah.
Just keep it pinned. He's just stubborn, he's a big one though. Oh no! Oh! One more, he says he gets hooked up. One more. Oh.
Dragged too tight. I knew it was too tight too. I should have loosened it off. Damn it.
Did he break you?
Yep.
After Gord lost that last one there, we decided to head over to Gagnon's. We knew we were going to need row for the next day, so we did so. When we were there, we met up with John Jarvis and Jesse Baker. They both decided to join us for this part of the episode. This is the next day, so let's roll.
Yeah, just loaded with people. Friday I went on that bend and that's where I hooked one and lost one. John's the first to hook up. Nice. John only takes pictures of big steelhead. Got one. Watch your line, Gord. Right up to you. Johnny boy with two. You're wild. I didn't even know you could even pitch up in there.
Man, I suck today.
Sucking poop too. Hooked one and that was like my only chance. Gord strikes. At least you got one. That thing, that's pretty. It's small. It's pretty. That thing's gorgeous. You guys got dip? Okay.
Alright, peace.
We're gonna work our way back up. Let's see ya. Yeah, that's what I got hooked up on before. Gord. On the pink corner. Gord. First drift in this pool. First drift. It's a buck. I'm gonna start bringing them a bit. My heart's racing, bro. Pinky. I'll free up. Good?
There.
Thanks, brother.
Yeah.
Made one cast right in the middle. Boom. Thanks for grabbing them, eh?
Yeah, no problem.
Is this still going? Sweet. First male of the year on Pinky. Switched up to Pinky. Saw a couple swirl in this little pool here, so threw in there. First drift. Got this beautiful male. Looks a little nasty on this side, so let's know that.
There he goes.
Big and slow. Fish. I think I got him snagged though. Oh, there he goes. Last 5 floats. I know I need to wait to get that bobber to go proper, but just not bothering. Too much rigging as it is. Done. When I say it was busy today, I meant it was busy. Wow. There's so many vehicles down here. Oh my god, even over there. That's wild. Let me film an outro for you guys in the truck. Give me 1 minute.
Well, guys, it was a fun weekend. We finally got out. We beat everyone on Saturday, but Sunday obviously got a lot busier. With that being said, next weekend we're going to go out, do the same thing. Pretty sure Gord's going to join me once again. Super excited. The weather's getting better. Things are looking up. Spring's right around the corner. So thanks again for watching. If you haven't already, comment, like, and subscribe. And we'll talk to you in the next episode of Aching Fishing. Peace.